A backseat driver is an idiom used to describe a person who offers unsolicited advice, criticism, or guidance to the person who is actually in control of a vehicle, typically from the passenger seat in a car. This term implies that the individual is not content with being a passenger, but feels compelled to constantly comment on the driver's decisions, often in a nagging or annoying manner. The term has since evolved beyond its literal meaning and is now used more broadly to describe someone who interferes, critiques, or attempts to take control in situations where they are not directly responsible or in charge. In the context of driving, a backseat driver may constantly comment on the driver's speed, route, braking, or choice of lanes. This behavior can be distracting and potentially dangerous, as it diverts the driver's attention away from the road. It may lead to frustration and tension between the driver and the passenger, potentially compromising safety. Metaphorically, the term backseat driver can be applied to various situations outside of driving. In these scenarios, it refers to someone who offers unwanted advice or critiques the actions or decisions of another person who is responsible for a task or situation. This person often believes they know better or feels the need to micromanage, even when their input is not requested or needed. For example, in a workplace, a backseat driver might be a coworker who constantly tells their colleagues how to do their job or offers unwarranted suggestions, even when they are not part of the same team or project. This behavior can be disruptive, undermine morale, and hinder productivity. In personal relationships, a backseat driver may manifest as someone who is overly controlling or critical, constantly telling their partner how to live their life or make decisions. This can strain the relationship and lead to conflicts. The phrase is not always used negatively. In some cases, it may be employed humorously or playfully to describe someone who tends to be overly cautious or fretful, even if their intentions are well-meaning. Dealing with a backseat driver, whether in a car or in other aspects of life, can be challenging. Communication is key to addressing the issue. The person being subjected to unsolicited advice or criticism should express their feelings calmly and assertively, letting the backseat driver know that their input is not needed or appreciated. Setting boundaries and establishing clear expectations can also help prevent such behavior. In summary, a backseat driver is someone who offers unsolicited advice, criticism, or guidance, often in a nagging or annoying manner, to the person in control of a situation, originally referring to driving, but now used metaphorically in various contexts. Dealing with a backseat driver involves effective communication and boundary setting to maintain harmony and productivity in relationships and situations.